guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm seriously so excited because this is the most random haul I've ever filmed on my channel, but I just have a pile of stuff next to me that I've been meaning to share with you guys and just haven't had time to sit down and film this video, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoy it, and just a huge shout out to everyone who sent me PR packages, but also I got some hand-me-downs. It's just really fun, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys like it, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video and checking it out and watching it. I really appreciate it, and would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. It means the world to me, and then that way you can get notified the next time I upload. But we're just gonna get right into it. So I think I have like 4 PR packages and then a stack of hand-me-downs, and I also picked up a new pack of mascara. So I have been using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I get it in Blackest Black, and I recently have been using the waterproof one, which I love waterproof mascara, especially in the summertime when I'm swimming and stuff, but oh my goodness, is that stuff like hard to get out of your eyelashes or what? Like, I feel like it stays on for like 3 days, so I made sure not to get the waterproof one, but I seriously love this. I feel like the before and after is so true. I think I paid around $10 for it, so it was such a steal, and I'm excited to open this up. But that is what I've been using on my lashes. If you guys watched my last video, which I'll insert a card, I talked about how I've been doing like the eyeshadow, little winged eyeliner, and love that look. I think it's so much fun, and it just kind of adds a little bit more to your eye. But then I also have 2 sweatshirts, and these, I think I mentioned one of them in a previous video, but I got a separate one sent separately. It was so weird, but they're so soft. So they are from the brand Cozy Earth, and oh my goodness, I got these in a small. They're like a loungewear brand, and they are the softest crew necks I've ever owned in my whole life. I will admit they're $120 a piece, which is kind of bizarre, but so soft, and I feel like I will have this for the next like 10 years. It's like one of those things that you spend more money on like high quality pieces, and they're just so soft. They're like bamboo, and they're just like amazing quality, and I absolutely am obsessed with them. I wear them a lot when I'm like lounging around the house, but they're also kind of cute, and I feel like I could style them to the gym or just wear them as loungewear. I will have Cozy Earth listed down below. I do have a discount code as well, which I'm just so grateful for. I think they're so stinking soft. Anyways, I got this big PR package, and I sliced it open, but I haven't opened it up, and it is from Sailor. I absolutely adore Sailor. They have their own tissue paper, which I think is so cool, and inside of it we have this little thing, and it says, "Spring is here. Thank you for sharing your spring style. You are the best. XOXO." The Sailor brand. This is seriously so stinking cute, and I think this is one of those like cups. I've never had one of these. I'm not like a wine drinker, so let's open it up. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Oh, it's part of the Vineyard Vines collection. That's cool. So cute. And I think this is like one of those little, it has like a lid right there, so you can just kind of cheers. I feel like this would be cute with like orange juice in the morning. Then there's just some bubble wrap, and then this is what they sent me. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's pink and orange. Okay, let's open it up. I love their dresses. They seriously have the most comfy material. This is so cute. So it's like a little tank top, and then it's a fit and flare, so it flares out at the bottom. They just dropped their new spring line, and I was freaking out when they're like, "Can we send you a PR package?" I was like, yes please. I get this in a size medium, and it also has that UPF 50, so it's really good if you're out in the sun, which I love, especially during the spring and summer. But this is so cute, and it kind of has like a little bamboo look to it. So huge shout out to Sailor. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I can't wait to style it and drink some orange juice out of my cute little mug. I also got a PR package from Palm Beach Sandals. I picked these out a really long time ago because I did like a collab with them back on Black Friday. I posted to my story promoting their sale and they were like, pick out anything you want. So I do have a promo code, which is super exciting. So if you use the code Kelly25, you get $25 off your order, which I think these shoes are around $100, maybe $125. So it really takes a big chunk off, which is so awesome. They are seriously so comfy. They look a lot like Jack Rogers, but I honestly think they're a little bit more comfortable. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then I just got the pink on pink on pink on pink. I think these are so cute and so me. You guys know how much I love pink, and I love pink and red together, so it's just like a pink leather with different pink and red and platinum jacks. If you guys have seen my Jack Rogers collection, I'll insert a card. I almost have every single color, so I was like, you know, we're just gonna get a wild pair, and I feel like these are gonna be one of my favorite shoes because they're so fun and so different. So thank you so much, Palm Beach, for sending that to me. I am so excited to style. Then I did get a stack of hand-me-downs from my cousin, and oh my goodness, you guys, I love getting hand-me-downs. Like, I'm a huge fan of it. Like, do you guys like getting hand-me-downs? Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I give my cousin hand-me-downs. Like, I'll be like, I'll put them through my closet and be like, here you go, enjoy. And my favorite part about it is, like, you don't have to like everything, and you can just kind of keep passing it along, which always just feels so good to give people like a bag of clothes. But it's also like stuff that you don't really pick out, or like it's not your color or something. So I'm super excited to share all these with you. The first one is this Lacoste Polo. It's super cute. It's like a baby blue color. Fun fact, I actually have this in the long sleeve, and I'm super excited to have the short sleeve version of it because I love this color. I think it's so me and so bright and so preppy. Then I also got this yellow Ralph Lauren v-neck, which is super cute. It's like this really pretty popping yellow color. Kind of have a yellow like thing going on right now, and it has a little pony, and it's a v-neck. I usually don't pick up v-necks. I don't really gravitate towards them, so I'm excited to style this one. I also got this coat, and I feel like this is a little outside of my comfort zone because of the zipper and stuff. Let me zip it up so you can see like the full look of it. And it's so cute. And I always go on about how I don't have enough zip up hoodies, especially for the spring, because I either have to wear a pull-on like sweatshirt or just a sweater, and sometimes the weather is just too weird for that. So I was super excited about this. It's like a little loft, there we go, it's kind of like vintage, I guess, zip up, and it has a little circle zipper pull, which I usually don't gravitate towards. And then it has this really pretty flowery design in the hood, which I just think is so cute and so girly, and I think it'll go so well with all my clothes. So it's just a simple light blue jacket. I love it. I'm so excited to wear that. And then I also got two more things. Next thing is a pair of Chino shorts. So these are just cobalt blue from J.CREW. I think these are the really short ones. I want to say like the 3-inch ones. And surprisingly, this is the only color that I don't have, so I was super excited to find that. And then I also got a simple white turtleneck, which again, surprisingly, I don't have one of these, and I'm so excited. I know turtleneck season's kind of over, but these make great layering pieces. And then the last thing that I got is another PR package, and I've been wanting to open this for so long, but I was like, I gotta wait till I do it with you guys. So I believe this is from Pixie, and it just opens up like this. They always outdo it with the packaging. It's seriously so heavy. And okay, 3 easy steps to glowing skin. So they have a body wash, a body peel, and a body lotion. That's exciting. I will have Pixie linked down below. I've been wanting one of these bags for the longest time. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So it's like one of those little backpacks. I love this green. It's got like little straps on it. This is going to be perfect for like going to the park in the summertime, and I think there's stuff in it. So goodness, this is so cute. Okay, this comes out. What do you think? Oops. And so it just says Pixie Beauty, so I guess you can put like your ID or something in here. And then it just has this little pouch right here with all the new products and how to glow from top to toe, and it just has the how-to instructions with these products. Seriously, so excited. Oh my gosh, these are like full-size products too. Okay, so we got a body wash with aloe. Oh my goodness. Then the body peel, so like a scrub, and then a body lotion. I'm just obsessed with this bag. It's so cute. I'm so excited to use that. I recently just did a hair mask on my hair, so I love trying new products and I'm really excited to try these. Huge shout out to everyone. I'm just so grateful to have this haul. It was seriously so much fun. Oh, also, I went to the Lily Pulitzer store and picked up one of their catalogs, so you can really get these. You can sign up for it online as well. But their new spring line is seriously so stinking cute, and I love, love, love all the looks. One of my favorite outfits from this is either this sweater. I feel like it's so cute. And then I also really like this whole outfit with like the purple little gingham and pants and then like the purple eyelet top. Oh my goodness. I would love to hear what your favorite thing from Lily is this spring, in case you guys have viewed their spring collection. They have swimsuits out and everything, so I was just geeking out and that's been in this pile. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. I really, really appreciate it, and I'm just so beyond grateful for every single one of you watching my channel and supporting me. You guys mean the world to me. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I love you guys so much. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!